Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm just making another video where I'm making a thank you video for MiAnU Acres. I'll try to put a link to their YouTube channel in the description below. A few weeks ago when I got on their live stream, I usually watch their live streams and watch their videos. Anyways, when I was on their live stream a few weeks ago, they're giving out some prizes. So one of the prizes was a $25 gift card for what's it called? MIGardener, which is in Michigan. Um, they don't normally win anything, or normally in the past with anything, there's usually a good chance they didn't win anything. So I was even thinking of not joining for this contest, but I figured, why not? I'll give it a try. So I ended up winning the gift card for MiGardener at $25. So I'm basically gonna show what I ended up getting with it. I got it just last week. The order that I did. So 1 second. I ended up spending an extra $7 on top of it, but at least I had a few interesting things. I ended up getting some carrots. I got some carrots here, some carrot seeds. I got some tomato seeds. I got some squish seeds, not squish, squash seeds, some butternut, 2 packages. I got some pumpkin. Well, I got this squash because I like the squash. My wife likes that squash too. It's a bit of a sweet flavor. And pumpkins, they're usually for Halloween, and we usually roast the seeds too. And I usually make a pumpkin carrot soup with pumpkins also. I think I had made a video. I think it was a year or two ago about making a pumpkin carrot soup. I got 2 types of watermelons. This is the first type. I have never grown watermelons before, but I thought I would give it a try. This is the other watermelon. This is one interesting that I got. It's coffee seeds to try to grow a coffee tree. I think MiGardener has a few videos that he has a coffee tree growing inside his house, and he gives some tips of how to grow them and when to change the pots because the roots get bigger and stuff. So I got some corn. Maybe this summer I'll try to grow some corn. And there's a free packet that they give. There's a lot of seed companies that give free packets of seeds. What's it say? 1 second. Yeah, it says, I don't know if you can see it, it says salad bowl mix. So I guess it's a whole pile of different, maybe lettuces or something. I'll have to give it a try to see what that grows up. I'll try to do a video about it one time when I grow it. So, anyways, this is basically what I got from the gift card that I won from MiAnU Acres. I'd like to thank you guys again for the gift card. Um, it's very much appreciated. My wife thinks, so what am I going to do? Open a farm or start a farm now? When she saw the seeds, but she was happy about them too. So thanks again, and hope to talk to everyone soon again. Have a good day. Bye bye.